This year, in 2025, Ace Jewelers of Amsterdam are marking their 50th anniversary, and they've teamed up with NOMOS Glashütte to make a very special watch to mark this milestone. Actually, two very special watches. These new Ace Jewelers Metro Neomatiks are limited to just 50 pieces each, with the first 10 available in pairs with matching numbers. Now that way, if your other half complains that you've just bought another new watch, well, you can appease them by saying that you bought one for her, or him, too. NOMOS rarely releases limited editions of the Metro, so it's a pretty special thing that they've done here with Ace. And they reached out to the Metro's original designer, Mark Braun, or as he's German, I guess it's pronounced Brown, to create this unique pair. Brown is a highly acclaimed and award-winning German product designer who originally worked with NOMOS in 2014 to design the Metro. He takes a lot of influence from modern architecture and minimalist designers like Jasper Morrison, and you can really tell. I mean, the Metro looks like the kind of watch that you'd expect a designer or an architect to wear. It has this slender case. I mean, on this 35mm version, the case is just 8.1mm thick, and is barely 1/4 millimeter thicker on this larger 38.5mm one, which is actually known as the Metro Neomatik 39. I guess 38.5 just doesn't roll off the tongue quite so well. The thin, tubular-looking lugs slope down at about a 30-degree angle from the perfectly round case, and then you've got these incredibly minimalist dials with printed markers for the hours and minutes, and very thin syringe-shaped hands. It's all very Bauhaus. Those dial colours are what really set this particular pair of limited edition Metros apart. In a nod to Ace Jewelers and their heritage, these two use two contrasting shades of the colour that's best associated with the Netherlands. And I think those colours really work. I mean, they're orange, but not too orange. Both watches are powered by the in-house caliber DUW 3001, which is an exceptionally slim automatic movement, with a running second subdial at the 6 o'clock position, and 43 hours of power reserve. And the movements are beautifully finished, with Côte de Genève stripes and blued screws that you get to see through the exhibition caseback. And this open work rotor allows you to get an even better view. This 35mm Metro Neomatik limited edition is priced at €3,400, and the Ace Jewelers Neomatik 39 is €3,540, and both are available from the Ace website. I'll leave a link in the description below. Now, if you're a fan of German minimalist design, then NOMOS Glashütte is definitely a watch brand that'll float your U-boat. And if you want to go one better and get yourself a very unique and limited NOMOS, then these Ace Jewelers Metro Neomatiks will definitely appeal. Are they for me? Well, despite having a background as a designer, albeit a graphic designer, that very minimalist Bauhaus look has never really quite done it for me. But I have to say that in the time that I've had these watches, I've really started to warm to them. Of the two, this 35mm Metro Neomatik definitely wears better on my skinny 6¼ wrists. I think this Metro Neomatik 39 would really suit somebody with a slightly larger girth. Though the brighter colourway on this 39 really appeals. I mean, it's very much a warm yellow rather than a light orange, but I think that brighter coloured dial really helps with the legibility. But while it may not be for me, design is purely subjective, and I'm sure that they'll find favour with enough people so that the 50 pieces of each of these won't hang around for long. As ever, I'd love to know your thoughts. Tell me what you think about NOMOS Glashütte watches, what your favourite models are, and what you think of these two Ace Jewelers limited editions. If you've enjoyed this video, then please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel for more hands-on reviews.